YouTube? It's your boy Carlos bringing y'all a new video. This video is a little bit different, but we're gonna go on a drive, on practically like a little POV drive at night. I seen a lot of YouTubers do it and I'm like, might as well just do it. So I'm gonna take y'all on the ride with the big 392 wide body. Before I start the video, if this is the first time y'all see my face, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of plans for the big Scatpack, so y'all boys don't want to miss out. Let's get some gas. Just got gas. So yeah, I got gas on Tuesday. It's now Sunday, so it's been, the Scat has been pretty good on gas, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's go on our POV drive. Our first one, like I said, comment down below if y'all are rocking with these type of videos more, vlogs more, or both, honestly. So just let me know in the comments. So far, I've had the Scat for a week and a day now. It's been treating me really good. I already put some miles on the car. I'm honestly just really trying to drive it as much as I can so I could get over the break-in period, so I could really start, you know, pushing it. See if anybody there now. Let's go. What the fuck? Oh no, man, that sucks. We're just about to go crazy on the highway and there's like some construction, car accident. I don't freaking know, man. I'll pick y'all up when I'm out of the traffic. Just got out of the traffic. Now we could continue the drive. That boy, what you doing, my boy?
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. If I knock the fuck out you. Damn, man. Pussy, hey, tell your kid.
Let me know if y'all want me to talk in these videos. Y'all want me to stay quiet. Let me know what y'all boys want.
Because if I was watching this, I would want it to be no talking. Like,
yeah, would y'all want no talking?
Like
would y'all want me talking? Let me know. Please let me know. But for right now, I'm gonna do both. Kind of no talking, kind of talking at the same time. So yeah, y'all boys let me know in the comments down below on that. Driving with no tint, ain't gonna lie, it's scary. And I only have 15% tint. It's not even that bad. Dude, imagine 5%. I don't know how y'all do it. The people that have 5% on y'all Scats or really any other car, I don't know how y'all do it. Y'all some brave motherfuckers. Bruh, move, go. Alright, we got the yellow light. We all good. Sooner or later, I want to have like a C8 or a GTR on the channel. That's like probably in like a year or 2 years. But mark my words, we're gonna have one of those on the channel. So y'all boys gonna come back to this video right here, and I'm manifesting that we're gonna have a C8 or a GTR on the channel, or whoever knows, maybe a freaking Lamborghini, maybe something like that crazy.
Oh, this nigga on demon time now. Oh, hell no.
Are we on the highway? Check if y'all boys check if anybody's there. No one's there? All right, I'll trust y'all. We on the highway. That took away like what? Like 20 bucks in gas right there, that little clip.
Nigga.
Fuck. Gas ain't no joke. Little Mustang right there. Older one, those always want to smoke. Always. You don't want no Scat action. You don't want no slow boat action. Mark my words, like I said, guys, I want to get a GTR, really. That's honestly one of my dream cars, a GTR or a C8. For sure, I want to have those in the channel, you know, later down in the road, for sure. Once I start doing, you know, once I start going crazy on YouTube and y'all supporting the, you know, the vids, for sure want a GTR and build it like crazy, bro. Shoot flames, everything. What y'all boys think about a Tesla? Y'all fuck with them? Y'all don't? Me personally, I fuck with them. I love Teslas. I would get one, bro, as a daily. That would be the perfect daily as a Tesla. The only bad thing is charging it. Dude, the stock exhaust on this Scat is crazy. Like, it's like a little, it does like a little cracks and pops already. Just imagine an aftermarket exhaust on the Scat. Damn. If y'all have anything that I should be doing to the Scat, please comment down below, because right now it's stuck, and of course I want to be doing things to the Scat. I heard someone told me to do headers and a tune. Not sure if that's dope, but y'all make sure to let me know in the comments what I should do to the stock Scatpack. This is my first V8 muscle car. Like, I've never had a V8 car, muscle car at all, and this is my first one. So a little snack pack as my first V8 is honestly the best. I'm having fun with it. I'm telling you, that exhaust on the Scatpack. And I don't know if y'all have Scatpacks. I'm about to sound crazy, but I swear there's like a little whine. Like, I don't know if the camera picks that up. I don't know, I'm tripping. But I heard a lot of people hear that whine as well. Man, I'm so glad I went with the Scatpack as my first V8. Because honestly, yeah, I could have got a Mustang. Yeah, I could have got a Camaro. But bro, this is a wide body Scatpack. Mustangs are dope, Camaros are dope, but I don't know, the Scatpack just took it all. The looks, the interior, I get the interior is kind of lacking, like the U-connect and all that, but the red guts, dude, the stitching on the Scatpack logo, all that, like, there's no way. Like I said, I've been wanting this car since I was 15, 16. I actually wanted a Challenger. The Charger Widebody just grew on me so much that I just, when the opportunity came up for me to get it, I jumped on it. Let me know if, I'm probably gonna make a video on how I afford these things, because I'm 20 years old with a Scatpack. So I don't know, that's crazy to me. A 20-year-old with a Widebody Scatpack, not just any Scatpack, 2022 Widebody Scatpack. I custom ordered it to my liking. Got here in about 2 months, a little bit over, like probably 2 months and like 2 weeks probably. So it came pretty fast. I heard some people that waited like 5 months, 6 months, which is crazy. I'm one of the lucky ones that got it very early. This car, this YouTube channel is gonna make my dreams come true. All of you guys that have subscribed are literally making my dreams come true. No joke. I know it doesn't seem like it, but dude, you're literally helping a 20-year-old achieve his dream of being a YouTuber, a car YouTuber. Let's just say that, car YouTuber, because of course, like I said, I want to have cars on this channel and I want to build this up. So y'all are really supporting my dreams by just smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, even commenting, like all that good stuff. You guys are literally making my dreams come true. So I really do appreciate all you guys. Oh, come on. We're about to push it right there. Come on, dog. Fuck. And the traffic is still over there. Damn. We're coming up on a tunnel. Y'all probably can't hear me. I don't know if the wind is picking up, nothing, but we're about to come up on a tunnel. And y'all boys already know what that means. Shit. Yeah, shit. I just went sideways. But I'm gonna end it at that. If y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. It's your boy Carlos, and I'm out. Peace.